Hello and welcome. How often do you go to the mall? How often does it rain in Dubai? How often do you eat ice cream? Depending on how you might answer these questions, it is likely you will use words like sometimes, never, usually, and so on. That is because these words are called adverbs of frequency, and we use them to talk about how often we do things or how often things happen. For example, I usually go to the mall about once a week. It hardly ever rains in Dubai. I sometimes eat ice cream after dinner. Here are some of the most common and useful adverbs of frequency. When we use am, is, are, we put the adverb after the verb, like this. We are never late. Not, we never are late. I am always studying. Not, I always am studying. This is also true with modal and auxiliary verbs like can, must, have, or do and does. For example, I can always find time to speak to you. We don't usually listen to the radio. We have never seen a giraffe in real life. With other verbs like go, play, eat, and so on, the adverb usually comes first. For example, he sometimes plays football on Sundays. They always go to Spain for their holidays. Some adverbs, occasionally, frequently, normally, sometimes, and usually, can go at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence. For example, sometimes I go shopping after work. I normally go shopping after work. I go shopping after work occasionally. Note that when they go at the start of a sentence, they are followed by a comma. However, some adverbs, always, hardly ever, rarely, never, and seldom, don't usually go at the beginning of a sentence. Always I brush my teeth in the morning. I always brush my teeth in the morning. Or, hardly ever I eat after 6 p.m. I hardly ever eat after 6 p.m. Finally, some adverbs show definite frequency, hourly, daily, weekly, and so on, and usually go at the end of a sentence. We go on holiday twice a year. It rains here every day. But to show emphasis, the adverb can go at the beginning of the sentence. For example, every 5 minutes, an accident happens on the road. Once a month, there is a full moon.